Ready to level up your health? Tiny habits can be indirectly effective in improving your physical well being. Start by identifying a small, achievable action you can take consistently instead of overhauling your entire diet. Try incorporating an extra serving of fruits or vegetables into one meal each day. Another powerful habit is to incorporate short bursts of movement into your routine. Instead of aiming for an hour-long gym session, try doing 5 minutes of stretching or body weight exercises each morning. Remember, consistency is key, and these small changes can lead to significant long-term results. Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Tiny habits can be game changers when it comes to boosting productivity. One effective strategy is to break down daunting tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Instead of staring at a blank page, commit to writing for just 5 minutes each day. Another powerful habit is to create a dedicated workspace, even if it's just a small corner of your home. This physical cue can help signal to your brain that it's time to focus and get things done. Remember, small changes can lead to significant shifts in your productivity levels. Relationships thrive on consistent nurturing. Tiny habits can be surprisingly powerful in enhancing your connections with loved ones. One simple yet impactful habit is to express gratitude daily. Take a moment each day to acknowledge and appreciate the people in your life, whether it's through a heartfelt text, a phone call, or a handwritten note. Another powerful habit is to practice active listening. When engaging in conversations, make a conscious effort to truly hear and understand the other person's perspective. These small acts of kindness and presence can make a world of difference in your relationships. Life is full of surprises, and our habits need to be adaptable to changing circumstances. It's important to remember that habit formation is not about rigidity, it's about finding a sustainable rhythm that works for you. If you find that a particular habit is no longer serving you or has become too challenging to maintain, don't hesitate to adjust it. The key is to approach habit formation with a spirit of experimentation and self compassion. Listen to your body and your intuition, and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. Remember, the goal is to create a lifestyle that supports your well being, not to adhere to a set of rigid rules. One of the biggest pitfalls in habit formation is striving for perfection. We set unrealistic expectations, and when we inevitably fall short, we feel discouraged and give up altogether. It's crucial to remember that consistency is far more important than perfection. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a day or two. It happens to everyone. The key is to get back on track as quickly as possible and focus on building a chain of consistent actions. Remember, it's the long game that matters and every small step counts. Once you've mastered the art of building single tiny habit, you can start combining them to create more complex routines. begins with the tiniest of steps. By embracing the power of tiny habits, we unlock a world of possibilities for growth and positive change. Remember, it's not about overnight revolutions, it's about the consistent incremental progress that leads to lasting results. Start by identifying one small habit you'd like to cultivate and apply the principles we've discussed. Make it tiny, anchor it to an existing routine, and celebrate your successes along the way. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and never underestimate the transformative power of small changes. You have the power to design a life you love, one tiny habit at a time. Now go out there and make it happen.